Hi everyone. Today on Hello Susan we're going to make an altered paper clip. I've already made a couple and I want to go ahead and show them to you. This is what we're going to do today. We're going to construct the third one. I'm doing my farmer's market journal and I wanted some altered paper clips. So this is one right here that I did, and this is all fussy cut and added a little charm at the bottom through an eyelet and a safety pin. Put a charm. That's the back of it. Here's another one with some geraniums. So cute. Love the colors. Okay, so let me go ahead and move these out of the way, and when I get done with this last one we're going to put them in the journal so you can see how the journal's coming. So the first thing I want to do is I did cut some paper, and this is cardstock, and I did two pieces because I want to sandwich it, and I put the paper clip with the big side on the outside. I wanted a pretty big paper clip for this one. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to glue that together. Of course I'm using Fabri-Tac. That's my favorite glue. I really like it because even when I'm doing something like this, it doesn't warp the paper. And I've done paper clips before where I just use regular glue and the paper does get all warped. I really don't like that. Okay, I don't know if this is directional or not. Let me take a look. It can go either way. And I know that side is the right way because I put the paper clip on it. So then all you do is you just sandwich that paper clip in between. And it takes just a little bit for it to adhere, but not too long. Just keep pressing it down a little bit. With it being so warm, everything dries quick these days. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I have this piece that came off of like a dresser scarf, and this is all hand crocheted, and I cut the corners off, and so I want to put that corner right here at the bottom. Okay. Let me hold it up, make sure I'm getting it on there straight. It's kind of not cut straight to begin with. Yep, everything dries pretty quickly these days. Okay, so then I have this, I believe this might be, well, it's some kind of trim. I thought maybe it might be part of a curtain, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't think so anymore. Okay, so we're just going to put some glue in the obvious areas. Can't put it on all the netting because it'll just make a big mess, but we can do it pretty good. And I want this edge of the lace to come down over where I had cut off that embroidered, that crochet piece. And that just kind of covers up that edge right there. Now of course we are doing farmer's market, so rustic is fine. Then I have this stuff that I fussy cut, and it says direct from farm to you, and I got this little calf. I know a cow gives milk and a calf does not, but a calf drinks that milk, but I just thought it was cuter than a cow, so that's what I went with. Just getting glue on all the little pieces. And this is made out of cardstock too. You don't have to do it out of cardstock. I just like to because I just want to sturdy up the paper clip as much as I can. Okay. Then I've got this ribbon trim that's embroidered roses, and I want to put that across the top. See how fast these are? They're so much fun to make too. All right, let me look at that up here so I can make sure I'm doing it right. Don't you just love these colors? It kind of puts you in a good mood, like when you're doing Christmas stuff because of all the red. It's just such a stimulating color. Now I also have these words that say fresh butter. So I'm going to put those on. And then the only thing left we have to do is put that rayon ribbon for the little topper. And we're done. And then we're going to put these inside the journal so you can see how the journal's coming. Just about got the journal done. Working on a few more things. Okay, so now you look at it and make sure everything was gluing together. Good, it is. Now I'm just going to put this rayon seam binding on here. Just tie it on. And I'm going to tie mine twice. I like it twice because I like that knot to be just a little bit more substantial. And you just kind of play with it a little bit. And then all of a sudden, it just kind of goes exactly the way you want it to go. I don't know how it does it, but all of a sudden, it'll look good. Okay, and there you go. And that's the altered paper clip that we just made together. Okay. Put the lid on my glue and get the journal, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and here's the journal so far. Look at these fun butterflies I put on the front. I put stickles. We'll do a whole flip through when I get done. So what I've done is I've marked the pages where I want to put the altered paper clips. And here's the first page right here. And that's the one that I want to put that we just did. Doesn't that look cute? Just love it. Okay, and here's another page where I want to put one. I'm going to put this little chicken one with the charm on this one. And let's see. That's going to go up underneath it on the other side. Let's see, where is that other one? There it is back there. Okay, so I've got this envelope that you can open up and write on. And I'm going to put that right here on this page with this clip, with this paper clip. And that'll hold that in place. Okay, well, that's it for the altered paper clips. Thanks so much for joining me. That's it for me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.